Gareth, what has your experience been like whilst sponsoring the anti-counterfeit event?
Yeah, it's been an interesting couple of days. We've met over a dozen big pharma and various size companies. Over the last couple of days we've had an opportunity to present, to talk about PCI and things we're doing in the serialisation market. So we've had a beneficial couple of days.
Thank you.
Hey, good to have you here today. So just wanted a quick feedback from you. How did you enjoy the event? Was it good?
I think the event was excellent. It's an intimate event, but very focused on anti-counterfeiting. So that's exactly what we were looking for, to present our technology to the right people in the industry. And we were happy to achieve that.
Excellent. So good for networking, topics covered, speaker lineup.
Absolutely.
Really good, yeah? So we look forward to seeing you again next year as well, yeah?
Yes, I look forward to being here. It was very well organized, and it was both fun and instructive and effective for business.
Excellent.
Thank
you so much, yeah? You have a good day. Cheers. Bye. Hi, so just wanted to quickly share, if you could share with us your experience with us.
Sure. So it was a great conference. The conference, I accomplished a lot of things. I think one is a great education for us to learn about all the different technologies and new innovations that are coming out. And then two is to share your experiences, share what your company has to offer. And then the other part of it, which is great, is to interact and meet with people and make great contacts with everyone. So it was a great conference. I enjoyed myself very much. The other thing that's really important, I think, is to get a vibe for what's coming next. And that's what this conference allows you to do, is to be a little bit ahead of the curve, to be a little bit ahead of the curve when it comes to understanding what potentially could come next.
Excellent. So we look forward to seeing you again back next year, and hope you had a good time with us, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers. So, your experience with us in the last 3 years with the Anti-Counterfeiting conference, especially this one?
I think this has been the best yet, actually, and I've heard that from a number of delegates. They've said that the mix of subjects is really good, the involvement of the audience has been really good, so I think this has been great. Everyone seems to have really enjoyed it.
Excellent. So that's exactly what we're trying to cover, different regions. We've had speakers from Europe, US, and the Asian market as well. We've had from FDA Ghana as well. So just any suggestions you have for the next year? I see that we're getting bigger every year by year. It's the 5th, and the next year is going to be the 6th.
Yeah, so I would certainly keep it to 2 days. I think 2 days is a nice timeline. In terms of topics, it's really fast moving, so I think keep your eye on the regulations and what's happening, and make sure that you can bring something of topicality and currency to people. They really like to find new stuff. So anything you can do to keep it current, I think, is good.
Excellent. So the conference is really good for networking. Good for that?
Yeah, I've certainly met some really interesting people. I think it's important to keep the level of industry users and industry attendees high. People like to meet suppliers and vendors, but they really like to see colleagues from industry with real life case studies and things they can take away as learnings and apply in their own business.
Excellent. Thank you. Thanks for the time.
Right,
see you next year as well.
I think it's a very interesting event. Coming from a regulatory point of view, to meet manufacturers, people with different backgrounds from the pharma industry. It's a eye opener because they are actually with the products.
Yeah, things are not that good in Ghana, so
they are always step ahead.
Yeah.
In the industry, and as regulators, we need to always come together with them to know what their needs are.
Excellent.
And then probably that will even let us understand the industry that we regulate.
Excellent.
And I am most grateful because yesterday and today I have learned a lot, and what keeps on ringing in my mind is one presentation that was done, and I picked 3 things from it, where you have response, monitor, and then prevent.
Absolutely.
And I think these are three key areas as regulators when we implement.
Excellent.
It will ensure public health and safety.
Sure. We'll wish you all the best when you get back to Canada.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm most grateful.
Thank you. Hi Roger, just a quick chat with you. Just wanted to check how did you feel about this event? It was good for learning and networking and stuff.
You know, Jura supplies or offers smartphone authentication for counterfeit protection, and I managed to meet at least 4 experts from the pharmaceutical industry who are involved in counterfeit protection and are looking for new technical state-of-the-art solutions in their working field. And those were interested, and I'm building up contacts with these companies or these experts, and that I would say is a reasonable success for such an event.
Before, so deviations, investigations before attended to quality, and you are as well responsible for the validated and qualified status of equipment and being the representative if there are audits. So that was my role by last year, and then I changed, still in production, but now for another product. And my current role is I be head of business process excellence for a specific part of solids products, and also responsible for some strategic projects. And as well, this role is also related to that topic, and I will tell you later.
I think everything should be done.
来快了啊！对，好热。热是连续的时候。
Second after the ball is spotted, Ronnie O'Sullivan knocks it in. Look at this.
55.